everyone, and welcome back to English with Friends. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ryan. Today, we're tackling something that I think everyone finds a little stressful, making a doctor's appointment.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, even in your own language, it can be nerve-wracking. But then you add English on top of it, and the anxiety it goes through the roof. You start thinking, what if I can't explain my problem right?
It's a huge hurdle, and it's a confidence thing, really. It causes so many people to just put off getting care they need. So our mission today is to give you a shortcut to that confidence.
A shortcut. I like that.
Yeah, we're not going to teach you complex medical terms. We're giving you the blueprint for the call itself. We're breaking it all down into 7 really simple, repeatable steps, and we'll give you the exact phrases you need.
So it's not about fluency. It's about knowing the script, knowing the sequence of the conversation.
Exactly. Let's start with step 1, which is preparation is power. This is what you do before you even pick up the phone.
And this seems so basic, but it really shifts you from being, a nervous caller to someone who's in control.
It does. It shows you're organized, and that makes the whole interaction faster. So you need 3 things ready to go. First up, your calendar.
Right.
Know what days and times you are actually free. Don't make them wait while you're flipping through your phone trying to figure it out.
That saves so much panic in the moment. Okay, calendar. What's number 2?
Number 2 is your health insurance card. If you have one, you know the one, that little plastic card you have to dig out of your wallet.
The one that's always hiding.
Yes, just have it in your hand. The receptionist is almost definitely going to ask for it.
Okay, calendar, insurance card. And the third one, this is the big one, the symptoms.
Right, and this is where people freeze up. But remember, you're not diagnosing yourself. You just need a simple, clear description. That's it.
So like, I have a fever, or my knee hurts.
Exactly that simple. Just something short, non-technical, and ready to go.
Okay, so we're prepared. We've got our calendar, our card, our one-sentence summary. Now we dial. This takes us to steps 2 and 3, the greeting and the identity check.
Right. Someone answers the phone. They'll say something standard like, "Hello, Dr. Smith's office. How can I help you?"
And that's your cue.
That's it. And here's the magic phrase you need. It's polite. It's direct. Just say, "Hello, I would like to make an appointment, please."
So simple, but it immediately sets the purpose of the call. No confusion.
None at all. You could also say, "I need to see a doctor, please," or "I'd like to schedule a visit." They all work perfectly.
And as soon as you say that, the next question is pretty much always the same, isn't it?
Guaranteed. They'll ask, "Are you a new patient?" Or maybe, "Have you been to our clinic before?"
And let's just clarify that. A new patient has never been to that specific clinic. An existing patient is already in their computer system.
And the process is different. For new patients, they need to take down all your details. So let's do it. Let's do a role play of that first part. I'll be Maria, the receptionist at City Clinic. You be the patient.
Okay, sounds good. I'm ready. I have my 3 things.
As receptionist, "Good morning, City Clinic. Maria speaking. How can I help you?"
Hello. I would like to make an appointment, please.
"Certainly. Have you visited our clinic before, or are you a new patient?"
No, I'm a new patient. This will be my first time.
Okay, thank you. In that case, I'll just need to get a few details from you to set up your file. Could I get your full name and date of birth, please?
Sure. My name is Alex Chen, and my date of birth is June 14th, 1985.
Got it. And what's the best phone number to reach you at?
It's 555-443-7890.
Perfect. Thank you, Mr. Chen. See how that just flows? When you have the info ready, there's no panic.
Yeah, it completely cuts through the nervousness. You know what's coming.
And now we get to the part people worry about most. Step 4, describing the problem. The receptionist is going to ask, what is the reason for your visit?
This is the big question.
It is, but again, the key is simplicity. You're just giving them enough information so they can book the right amount of time for you.
So what are some of the best simple phrases to use here?
Well, if you're sick, be specific but simple. "I have a bad cough and a fever." Or, "I have a very sore throat. For an injury, I hurt my back." Easy.
And what if you just feel awful, but you don't know why?
That's totally fine. You can just say, "I'm not feeling well. I don't know why." Or even simpler, "I feel sick." They'll understand.
And there's one other really important one for routine visits, right?
Yes. If you're not sick at all, you just need the magic phrase, "I'm here for a checkup."
Perfect. Let's practice that. Let's do role play 2. You be the receptionist again, and I'll be the patient trying out a couple of different reasons.
Okay, I'm Maria again as receptionist. All right, Mr. Chen. And what seems to be the problem today?
I've had a really bad cough and a fever for about 3 days.
Okay, I see. A cough and fever. Thank you. Now let's rewind. What if you were just calling for your annual physical?
I just say, I'm here for a checkup.
See? Perfectly clear. 2 simple sentences that give the office exactly what they need to know.
That clarity then leads right into the next step. Step 5, scheduling and negotiation.
And this is where your calendar prep really, really pays off. They're going to offer you a time. Something like, Dr. Smith has an opening on Wednesday morning at 10:30 a.m.
And if that works for you, the answer is easy. Yes, that's perfect. Or 10:30 on Wednesday works for me.
But, and this is so important, it is 100% okay to say no if it doesn't work.
As long as you do it politely.
Yes, don't just say no. The key is to say something like, I'm sorry, I'm not available at that time.
And then you immediately follow up with your availability, right? You guide them.
You guide them. You say, do you have anything in the afternoon? Or, is Thursday an option? Be proactive.
Okay, let's do this. Role play 3. You be the receptionist. I'll be the patient who has to turn down the first offer.
You got it. As receptionist. Okay, Mr. Chen, based on your symptoms, we can get you in this Friday at 2:00 p.m. Would that work for you?
Oh, I'm afraid I'm working at 2:00 p.m. on Friday. Is there anything available next week? Maybe in the morning.
Let me check for you. Yes.
Yes.
We have an opening next Monday morning at 9 a.m. How is that?
Monday at 9:00 a.m. is perfect. Yes, that works for me.
Great. We'll book you in for that.
See, that was a negotiation, but it was smooth because I was clear and offered alternative.
Exactly. You weren't being difficult. You were just being realistic. Okay, we're almost done. Steps 6 and 7, confirmation and final details.
The administrative wrap-up.
Right. First, listen carefully while the receptionist confirms the appointment back to you. They'll say, okay, that's Monday, November 20th at 9:00 a.m. with Dr. Smith.
And you just confirm that it sounds correct.
After that comes the final logistics. They might ask for your insurance details again, and they'll definitely give you instructions.
Like what to bring with you.
Yes. Usually it's your photo ID and your insurance card, and the most critical instruction is about when to arrive.
Right. They always say.
Please arrive 15 minutes early to fill out new patient paperwork. Or they'll just say forms. Don't ignore that. Being early is essential for new patients.
And after all that, you're ready to end the call.
And you do it simply. Great. Thank you so much for your help. Goodbye. Or, thank you. See you on Monday. Bye. That's all you need.
It's amazing when you break it down like that. It's not this scary, complex medical conversation. It's just a short, scripted administrative task.
That's the key takeaway. It seems like a lot of steps, but it really all comes down to just 5 core phrases. If you know these 5, you're set.
Okay, let's boil it down. What are the 5 absolute must-know phrases?
Number 1, your opener. Hello, I would like to make an appointment, please.
Number 2, your status. I am a new patient.
Number 3, your simple symptom. I have a sore throat. Or, I'm here for a checkup.
Number 4, the easy yes. Yes, that works for me.
And finally, number 5, your polite no. I'm sorry, I'm not available then. Do you have anything in the afternoon? Master those 5, and you will nail this call every single time.
The skill is now yours. So to put this into practice right now, here is a challenge for you, our listener. Think of a common thing that happens to you. Maybe you get headaches, or your allergies act up in the spring. What is one simple, non-medical sentence you can create right now to describe it? Something clear, concise. Get that sentence ready in your mind, because that's your tool, ready to do for when you need it most.
That clarity saves you time, it saves you stress, and it gets you the care you need. Until next time. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel to never miss another video like this so that you can take your English to the next level.